the event today. The CMD sir, the chairperson and managing director of Country Club, Rajiv Reddy sir, and former Miss India and international yoga expert, Simran Ahuja. So a lot is there to tell you, to introduce you to, and to give you many surprises. The chairperson and managing director, Rajiv Reddy sir, but before
Yoga is something unbelievable. I think it is really a big gift from India to the rest of the world. Today, a lot of stars from Hollywood are aping India.
और ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत डेडिकेशन के साथ इस दिन को एग्जिस्टेंस में लाया कि 21 जून इंटरनेशनली योगा डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। और सेम इसी तरीके से मैं कंपेयर करूंगी और सीएमडी सर को भी, जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और लगन के साथ आज इस पूरी अफवाह को खड़ा किया है। और हमारे साथ यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे मौजूद हैं जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और डेडिकेशन के साथ अपने आप को प्रूव भी किया है। और यहाँ पर मेरे साथ मौजूद है फॉर्मर मिस इंडिया, यहाँ पर चेयरपर्सन एंड मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ कंट्री क्लब वाई राजीव रेड्डी सर को बुलाना चाहूंगी, जो अनवेल करेंगे यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज मेंबर्स के लिए। सर प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज। Okay, and I would like to call Simran Ahuja, ma'am, please come on the stage. Now introduce you to the card which we are going to unveil here today. It's a pool for the members of Country Club. It's VIP Platinum Global. This is the big moment which we were waiting for. The launch of VIP Platinum Global Membership Card. Wow! So it's a very special card for the members, and they're going to be benefited by it a lot. To Simran Ahuja.
Wow! Woo! I love this. I'm so lucky. Thank you.
Look here.
Global membership card of Country Club. Country Club rocks.
And we also know that our honorable Prime Minister has been instrumental in motivating people across the world. Actually, it is in fact, look at me. I have lost about 20 kg in the last 3 years.
VIP Platinum Global Membership Card at Country Club with the completion of 35 years of Country Club, and with this very special 10th International Yoga Day, which really coincides very beautifully, where we are unveiling a very amazing VIP Platinum Global Card, Country Club at your global step. Now Country Club at your doorstep became Country Club at your global step because we went global, where we had 0.2 million people joining us for yoga. So this started all when our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on the 15th of March 2020 announced for taking a holiday because of the pandemic. And 16th of March, I called our respected chairman, Rajiv Reddy sir, who's a trailblazer, that sir, can we do online yoga? Sir said, Country Club at your doorstep, which went viral, for which we received several accolades across the world. I was truly honored to be presented a medallion 2 weeks back at Chicago by our Honorable US Congressman Danny K. Davis sir. But it all started with sir's idea that we should give yoga to the world. Sir, if you remember, we went live with those who were not even on Facebook. The Japanese ladies who didn't know to speak English, who were not on Facebook, but just because of Country Club at your doorstep, they joined Facebook to do yoga. So thank you to Country Club for spreading joy, love, peace. Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly rub those palms together, rub those eyes, shake your leg, balance the other side. Take a deep breath in, breathe in.
On this day, to mark the International Yoga Day celebrations, I draw a lot of inspiration from our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. In fact, last 3 years के लिए I have lost about 25 kgs. I am a living example. I'm a perennial swimmer. I swim about roughly 45 minutes, 1 kilometer every day. But then I added yoga to my regimen, and look at the result. So being a brand ambassador of the country club is definitely a very big motivational force for me. And I'm very happy that all the members of the country club have benefited from this unique experience. In fact, yoga at your doorstep has been one of the biggest success stories in recent times. In fact, more than a few lakhs of people used to attend, and Simran had done a great job. Give her a big hand for that.
Thank you.
And today, we have launched the Country Club VIP Platinum membership card. You have seen after the COVID, the economy has been really growing. During the COVID period, the hospitality industry has been very badly hit. But then we have recovered. In fact, the company has become zero debt company during the COVID period. And this has also given us a lot of boost to go ahead and try to explore new markets. With this intention, we started the new card. And like I was telling you earlier, hotels, airports, airlines are totally packed. That only goes to say that our economy is growing in a big way, and Country Club being a part of the biggest part of the leisure industry is a true barometer to test the number of people who are coming in and out of the country. We have given more than 50,000 room nights of holidays, second to none actually. And as we grow further, we are engaging in dialogue with Airbnb and other big global partners. I think this coming year is going to be a great year, and I think people of this country will be proud to say that they are Indians first and then the global citizens. So, my dear friends, I thank you all for assembling here at such short notice, and let's take yoga to everybody. Yoga is our ancient Indian culture, and that is the best gift, yoga, what we have given to the rest of the world. So, 3 cheers for that, and all God bless. Take care.
To Country Club for taking this initiative of spreading yoga to the world, which is the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Right from 2020, the 15th of March, when pandemic was announced, the 16th of March itself, our trailblazer, the very dynamic Rajiv Reddy ji from Country Club, the chairman, respected chairman, took this initiative of truly spreading yoga to the world in a very beautiful way. So the entire 5 months, regularly, without taking a miss any single day, every day, we have the workshops, Country Club at your doorstep. We went live from Facebook page where we had people from South America, Canada, Japan, where these ladies were not on Facebook. Just through word of mouth, they joined Facebook just to do yoga and joined the page of Country Club Facebook page just to do yoga at Country Club at your doorstep. And today I'm very fortunate, sir, that Country Club gave me this opportunity, and tomorrow I'm flying to New York. I have my workshops at New York and at Atlanta, and everything is by your grace. And also having received several accolades by our honorable ministers all across India, I'm truly fortunate to thank Country Club for spreading this. And today, at this very auspicious 10th International Yoga Day celebration, where we had the unveiling of the utmost prestigious VIP Platinum Global membership card, which is a boon to everyone.
Today, we truly look forward to spending moments with our loved ones, and we don't have any space. But Country Club gives us that space for our loved ones, our families to come together. As they always say, families who come together swing together. So this is a beautiful moment for all of us to have this spectacular grand celebration. I'm truly thankful to all the friends from the media for always showering us with tons of love, because it's always Country Club. Cause Country Club rocks. Thank you.